On this episode of Global Topic, I'll have a conversation with Dr. Terri Carson, who's the Director of Technical Service and Quality Control at Alberdingk Boley. Dr. Carson and I will have a conversation on the topic of innovative, peelable protective coatings. Welcome to Global Topic, the go-to series for the global corrosion and protective coatings industries, exclusively here on YouTube. In this series, you'll find technical content, information, and the latest industry news and events. And now for our interview. Hey, Dr. Carson, welcome to Global Topic.
Hi, Jim. It's glad to be here today. Thank you for allowing us to have this time to introduce new development, water-based development for the paint and coatings industry. My name is Dr. Terri Carson, and I am the Technical Director here at Alberdingk Boley. I've been working with Alberdingk for this year will be 15 years, and I am the leader of the applications team as well as our quality control group. I am a synthetic polymer chemist by training, formerly worked with Dow Chemical in Freeport, Texas, but just glad to be here today to talk about some of our new developments. Alberdingk is a global water-based manufacturer of acrylic emulsions and polyurethane dispersions. We have very broad capabilities. We make acrylics, styrene acrylics, polyurethane dispersions, UV curable dispersions, a number of water-based technologies that are used in the paint and coatings industry. And so I'm excited to have this opportunity to talk about our latest development in the area of peelable coatings.
That's great. I was very much looking forward to this because, typically on my episodes, I'm talking a lot about industrial coatings and, talking about, other types of products like that. So this is a very interesting type of topic to go after. Yes. Dr. Carson, for those with limited or no knowledge about peelable coatings, what are they really?
So peelable coatings use a variety of different type of resin technologies, both water and solvent-based, vinyl polymers, cellulosics. But what we've developed is an interesting polyurethane acrylic hybrid material. Essentially, peelable or temporary coatings, they're also referred to as well as strippable, are just that. They provide temporary protection for the time of application and then can be easily removed by peeling them away or sometimes by using chemical means to remove them.
Whereas industrial coatings provide years of protection, peelable coatings provide temporary protection.
Yes.
Typically, what surfaces are these coatings applied to, and where might I see peelable coatings applied?
So a number of different substrates and different technologies target different substrates. They can be used on metal, plastic, glass, wood substrates that are coated, masonry substrates, primarily in construction or building materials that need to be protected. They're used in a number of different markets. Automotive is a very large market. For decorative purposes, just improving the aesthetics of the automobile. They're used in cosmetics, flooring, a number of different areas that peelable. Anywhere you would want to protect a surface from damage, physical damage, chemical damage.
Now I understand. Is there any specific surface preparation requirements to put peelable coatings, and how are they typically applied onto surfaces?
So it depends on the market that you're in. It can be little to very, no surface preparation to, more rigid cleaning.
So, typically, when you're looking at
Application.
coatings, you have a surface prep requirement, and then
Right.
how are they typically applied? Is it simple, like just like overlay, or is there some tools involved?
Right, a variety of techniques can be used. It can be applied by roller, brush, spray, or dipping techniques. So a number of different ways. It just depends on the market that you're going after.
Okay, so for example, a spray, would it be it's sprayed as like a liquid applied and then it dries?
Absolutely, yes. So it is a liquid coating. So one of the markets is spray booth coatings. You want to protect your, the walls, the area where you're spraying various technologies. And so you can apply it, obviously by spray.
Very interesting. Very interesting. For everyone watching this episode, I will have direct links into the information that Dr. Carson is covering, so you can get additional information from their site, and also I'll also put contact information regarding the company and Dr. Carson for any additional questions. Dr. Carson, what a great conversation we've had related to this topic. In closing out this interview, is there anything that we didn't cover that you'd want to leave with the viewers?
Well, I just want to sort of recap. We are introducing into the market a polyether polyurethane acrylic hybrid material that is solvent free. It can basically be formulated near VOC, very low VOC, so you don't have to add an enormous amount of co-solvents. It's pretty much film forming at room temperature. Can be used in a wide variety of environments to near freezing temperatures, and it still maintains the flexibility and the toughness that is needed to peel off the substrate and not become too brittle. As well as at higher temperatures, it also maintains the elasticity. This material has excellent exterior durability, and it has a very broad formulation latitude as well. You can grind in this material, grind pigments. So if you want to, make a pigmented coating, so it's very, very easy to formulate, and we think we have something that it will offer value to the market.
Yeah, it sounds very unique, and also can have multiple applications, interior, exterior, and different types of conditions. So that's pretty a pretty neat product you got there.
Yes, I think so. So we're interested in hearing from you and your viewers.
No problem. Dr. Carson, thank you so much for this opportunity to have a conversation with you today.
Thank you for having us.
Hey, have a great day.
All right. You too.